So I got this Troy-Bilt riding mower here, and there's a problem with the variable speed belt system. And in order to get at the pulley in the back there, I'm gonna have to pull that back wheel off. I'll show you what the problem is. So that pulley down in there, if you look, you can shuck it all around, and when you push the pedal to try and go, it belt just doesn't want to go. It's binding up in that pulley, so I got to take that bracket off. In order to do so, I got to pull that wheel off. So in order to get that wheel off, I got this homemade bearing puller here, which is just a piece of channel iron with the nut welded on it and some all thread, and then drilled a series of different holes in here so you could use it pretty much for a puller for anything. And then on these ends here, just welded a piece of round stock on each one of these, so when it's back behind the tire, it's not going to try and spin. You only have to worry about this turning these nuts in here. So the way this is going to work is put this up tight against the axle, and then tighten these nuts alternatingly to pull the wheel off, and that way you're not trying to turn this big one and gouge up the center of the axle there where the bolt goes in to hold the wheel on. So give it a try. Alright, let's give it a shot. I like these coupling nuts because you can get a lot of travel and not in the bottom of your socket. And make sure you put some grease on these threads too. I'm just going to put this 1/2 inch threaded rod right in the center of the axle. Start working these in. And that tire will not come off the way it is. I tried pulling on it, it's not going anywhere. See it start going. There you have it. You can see that shaft's all rusted up. The rim was rusted right on there, so. Hope this helps you out. If you like it, please give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.